So as always, I always carry the Northern Limits pantry. So I've already got some self-raising flour good to go, a vial of olive oil, a little pepperoni thing, and then any of the spices that I want to throw in there as well. But with the addition, I've got some cheese, and then I've got some tomato puree. So essentially what I'm making here is a pepperoni pizza in a bannock bread. So normally we'll put a little bit of olive oil in just sort of like to bind it. However, that is not needed for this because I've got the fat that's in the cheese and in here as well. So this can just go off to one side after you put in the desired amount of tomato puree. Sprinkle of mixed herbs, and then some crushed chilies. So cut my cheese down. Don't want the plastic in there though. That goes in there. And then my little pepperoni thingy. Yeah, I just picked these up from Aldi in the UK. For those who watch over here, there's an Aldi in Germany from the German subscribers. And next, the genius part. Now, I've done this on numerous occasions. It doesn't matter if you put too much in because the moisture will boil off. So if you put too much in and you can't get the dough, it doesn't matter. But I prefer to do it that way when I'm out in the field because I do it in these bags. So it's always mess free. And this is the genius bit. So find one of the corners and squeeze everything out of it. So this can be done on a gas stove or a fire. So all I've done is just taken a bit off smidge of oil, right, so remember you've got this open bit here on the corner, so this bit's on the corners he has done. So now what we'll do is we twist that bit, and now just like an icing bag we're just going to squeeze in. What you can do is just twist the bottom bit just to close it up. Oh, just look at that. Admittedly, you do get a bit of wastage, but not much. So while that's cooking, catch you in a bit. So that's done, gas is off, let it cool down. Melted cheese, taste the tomato puree and the pepperoni. Go give it a go. Do this in the house, do it out in the field, do it on gas, do it on the fire. Whatever it is, give it a go. You'll not regret it. See you next time.